Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Yadav. I am working on Agones Headlamp plugin. It's a part of the LFX Mentorship project. And let me explain you that Agon is a Kubernetes controller for hosting a game your server. And this plugin adds a visual UI for managing Agon's resources inside Headlamp. So that let me go to you the Minikube cluster. In Minikube cluster, when we in the sidebar, when we see the Agon part, and there is we can see that. Here the Agones overview. As we can see that the total game servers, their states broken down. Let me click into the fleet section. Here are the replicas visualized with plus bar. And if I click on a fleet details, it will show me the detail of how fleet is going on. And then we have a game server page that is allocated. That if a game server is allocated, then it will see as a allocated state. So it's telling you that this feature has been this server has been used in the game server session and players might be connected to it, so avoid deleting it or modifying while session is active. So so don't delete it accidentally. Then there is a one feature I'm proud of is the CRD Detection Guard. So let me go through that. If we go through the Check Agon part. If you are on a cluster that does not have Agons installed, instead of showing empty broken pages, we detect the missing API and shows a helpful message with a install link. This follows the same pattern as the CEDA plugin install check. So here when we click on the Agons part, as we can see that Agons was not detected on your cluster. If you have not already installed, please install it. And then we can click the through this install part. So, so that's the part that I have explained. So let me go to again the Minikube cluster. Then Minikube cluster, there is the part. So let me explain you that in 6 weeks, I have marked 11 PRs covering CI/CD setup, documentation, features, and testing. I went from zero tests to 70 plus tests, including property-based testing with fast tests. The CI pipeline now has Dependabot for automatically separating patches. 10 dependency PRs have already been auto-merged. So there is a one interesting thing that my mentor really suggested that property-based testing with fast tag instead of testing with specific inputs to define invariant that must hold for any input. So FastTech generates hundreds of random inputs automatically. It actually found a real bug. When it generated proto at a game server stage 3. Our color lookup returned the JavaScript prototype of object instead of a valid a prototype solution at case where no human would have found. So let me tell you what's coming next. So in I was trying to trying to implement that in my latest PR, which is under review. So we are trying to replacing raw MUI tables with resource list views and simple table, gaining search, sort, and pagination for free. And then we are also writing testing part for fleet and auto split test. Then there are the delete game server actions, and then we are mapping icons for advanced resources. So thank you, and I am happy to take any questions.